Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you what's new on iOS 14.5 update. So let's start. iOS 14.5 has been recently launched and is now available for update. Now let's take a look what's new on this update. First you have to go to Software Update. And here you can see that iOS 14.5 is now available. Now to see what's new on this update, tap on Learn More. And here you can see there are a lot of new features on this update. On this update, you can now unlock your iPhone 10 or later with Apple Watch Series 3 or later. When you're using Face ID while using a mask, you can easily unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch. Apple has recently launched a new product named AirTag, and you can use that with your keys, wallets, backpacks, and many other utensils which you can easily lose. All you have to do is just attach the AirTag with those utensils, and you can easily track those utensils through the Find My app on your iPhone. There are a lot of new emojis also. On this update, you have new face emojis, heart emojis, as well as woman with a beard emoji, which is a new thing. Now let's take a look on the Siri update. On this new update, Siri now includes more diverse voice options. Incoming calls can also be announced with Siri. When you are receiving a call, Siri will tell you who is calling you. When you are wearing your iPods or if you are wearing any other third-party headphones which are compatible. You can also make group FaceTime calls with Siri. All you have to do is command Siri to FaceTime a list of contacts. Or if you have a group in your messages, you have to name that group to start a group call. And the next groundbreaking feature is the app tracking transparency, which is totally new to this update. App tracking transparency lets you control which apps are allowed to track your activities on apps, and also other companies' apps and websites, so that your information and activities are kept secret all the time. And there are a lot of new features also. So if you want to know more, all you have to do is come here and check out all of the features of this update. And these are all the features which is new to iOS 14.5. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.